founders, I'm going to walk you through the loyalty list feature and show you how to maximize results. If you nail this, your business will change forever.
The loyalty list is a list that you create of loyal clients or service providers who use ShiftBook that you plan to collaborate with. Here is how you triple clientele.
You must master the art of not needing money. Leverage money and use it so it multiplies. When people profit, they will talk about your business even more.
See, this is why you're going to build your loyalty list. Now they're business partners and you guys are going to collaborate and win together. Here's step one.
First, you need to go into your booking settings and set your loyalty list referral commission percentage. Once you're done, click the Save button. Step two, you must manually add people to your loyalty list so ShiftBook knows to send their commission to their wallet inside of the app. Once your client books their first appointment, they'll automatically show up in your client list. You can add them directly from there, just like this. You can't book appointments from a service provider account, so if you're looking to add a pro to your loyalty list, you have to manually add them here.
Your loyal clients can earn residually and use their commission to cover the cost of their own services. You still get paid and you multiply clientele. Game changer.
This concludes my presentation on the loyalty list feature. Congratulations to all of the new founding members. Our team is here to serve you. Welcome to ShiftBooked.